Okay, now we're taking a look at the OpenRock S Earbuds by One Audio. As you can see, they are there. Now these are open ear conduction sports headphones, which means they sit outside the ear and the sound goes in. Tube-based technology, adjustable ear hooks. I'm going to look at all these shortly and kind of talk about why these are great for sports and a bit more there about kind of the dynamic drivers, which we'll talk about. Just going to take a look. And a very nice packaging as well. Let's start with, so there we are there. Look at that nice premium packaging. Starts with the instruction booklets, as you guys can see. It goes a bit more about how to set it up and how it actually works. Now we're going to take it up. So you've got the USB-C charging cable just there, if you wish to charge it. And we've got the earbuds here themselves. So we're going to go and look at these right now. Now start with, look at that lovely case as well. Doesn't it look really, really nice? USB-C charging. You've got the OpenRock label on there as well. So again, let's go and have a look and take it open. So here they are here now. As you can see, there they are there. So different styles towards normal earbuds that we do. So these actually sit over the ears. So it sits that way, and that is where the sound comes into. Now these have 16.2 millimeter dynamic drivers, which really helps to give surround sound into the ear canal. And there's 60 hours of playtime as well. So with the charger, each earphone can get 19 hours in each of them, which is a huge amount of battery time, which is great if you want to use them for sports out and about. Now they feel quite light on my hand as well. They feel quite good. They also have Bluetooth 5.3 and they're IPX5 waterproof as well, which is good. So it's good for, yeah, it's good for doing it. Now these also speak directly into the ear canal. I'm going to move that to the side and have a look. So this is where the sound goes directly into the ear canal when you're listening to it, which is great for listening, which means you can actually get the sound without, this stops you getting lots of headaches from the sound going in because they sit outside of it, and also allows you to be a bit more understandable of your environment and what's going on around you. They've also got the adjustable hook. Now you can see that changes as well. Now these have 4 AI mics built in too. So these microphones use beamforming technology in there to form an array to assist the AI to reduce call noise. So it's an algorithm and cheese reduction, which is really, really good for you. So even if the wind's strong, you can still use them, which is great. They also have rock mode, which emphasizes low frequency rhythmic sports sounds, and also sports modes, which gives you different ways of actually using them. So there they are there. The case itself is slightly chunkier. Then again, it keeps this will be fine if you put into your gym bag. It wouldn't hurt at all. And that's how you can Bluetooth them there as well by pressing that down there. So really nice packaging, packed with features. And as I said, the tube-based technology, IPX5 waterproof, the 4 mics, you know, it really is a great set of headphones. So yeah, OpenRock S, fantastic.